If you're using AI just to ask some silly questions and make some photos, you're just using AI wrong. Today, I'm gonna give you 3 most powerful AI tools that I use to be better than average and some tips so that you could be better than average. So the first one that I want to talk about is NotebookLM by Google. This is a lovely AI tool that I use every single day. This AI tool is about summarizing your stuff for students who want to learn. I use this thing every single day to summarize my PDFs, my books. So if you are a student and want to get into learning properly, use this tool. Add on, you could even add YouTube videos links directly into the chatbot and it would summarize it to you. It would give you a 15 to 20 minutes summarized audio like a podcast, which would explain you about the stuff that's written in the PDF or the YouTube video. Summarizes things into an interactive way, and you could even ask questions directly into the podcast. It has mind maps and FAQs so that you could revise stuff. So it's a lovely thing. If you're a student, this is for you. Now I want to talk about Claude AI by Anthropic. Basically the mega mind, the big heads, the smart assistant that you want. This is a place where you could summarize a big lot of files, and if you want to do research, you could have your spaces. It's a lovely place. You could have your own style. I've used this thing a lot for my preparation. Save my UPSC related stuff at this place in the spaces. It would give me precise, correct answer which is from that document, so that I really don't have to surf through it. So I save my stuff in Claude and I give it my like of styling, like intro, body, conclusion, give me points, 3 sub points. Recently I've started using it a little bit more, learning it from other YouTube channels where it could build you an app. I'm just trying to learn it out. There's a lot more use cases to this, but if you are looking for a very precise, great assistance to your studying or your productivity, this is the tool that you want to look at. And the last tool that I use, and I've been loving it since a year, obviously ChatGPT. Your personal assistant in your pocket or on your laptop is just a lovely thing that you could carry around. Most of the people might have already known ChatGPT, but you're using it totally wrong. How do I use it to improve my things? There are many use cases, but firstly I use ChatGPT to help me clear my mind. It's just a planner for me. It helps me to plan stuff accordingly. It has capability to think on its own, and recently I've seen an update. It has history to get your data fed into it so that you really don't have to repeat stuff all the time. It just knows what you are and what is the demand that you're trying to get out of it. It will give you the right plan according to the structure that you have already asked it. So it's your personal assistant who knows you. Secondly, obviously you could use it to search, but it has a little problem. Sometimes it just hallucinates a lot. If you are willing to get some right answers, there's a toggle called web search or deep research. It would really deep dive in. It would take some time, but it would definitely give you right answers. I use it to summarize few of my websites or some notes that I want. If there's a 30-pager note, it would just summarize it to 2 to 3 pages, which I could use to study later. So I just love this app, and I use it as a guide, a friend, therapist, planner, because it would help you a lot to be better. Not just asking straight away. It's not Google, it's a chatbot. It could think. You could put in personal stuff, ask what should I do next, and it would give you clear steps to do next. So use it this way. And yeah, there's DALL-E, generative stuff that you could do with it. If you want to get the most out of ChatGPT, try to use it philosophically so that it would help you a lot. Let me just sum it up for you. If you want an all-rounder, you could use ChatGPT, and if you want something which could summarize your documents, help you to study, use NotebookLM. And if you need a deep, thoughtful, and a place where you could have your stuff sorted, go with Claude. And recently I'm falling in love with Claude. I would suggest learn Claude. It's a great chatbot. If you are still listening listening to this, go ahead and give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. That would mean a lot. This is my first video. Looking forward to improve my stuff. I would be giving out productivity, AI, and lifestyle tips in this channel. I hope you are loving this. Have a great day.